What's wrong? What's wrong? Evie, what's wrong? Calm down. Calm down. Use your words. What's wrong? You want to watch what? You want to watch Cujo? The doggy movie? Cujo? You want to watch Cujo? Yeah? That's not a kid movie. That's a grown-up movie. Okay, Evie, go get it. Go get Cujo. Go get the movie that you want to watch. Yeah, go get it. What movie do you want to watch? Cujo movie? Okay, get it. Yeah. Where is it? That's the movie you want to watch?
No.
Bring it here, let me see. That's what you want to watch? It's not a kid movie. Look at that mean doggy. That's a mean doggy. That's not a kid movie. Fight Club? We should probably put these movies away.